Okay, I'm just slightly turning the crankshaft or the shaft off of the clutch, and you can hear some slop, some play internally. So I am suspecting that there is possibly a rod bearing or a crank bearing, but to me it seems like just because of that slight movement, it seems like it's connecting rod or piston pin related. Let me see if I can get a light up inside the butterfly, and so you can maybe see the piston too. Bear with me on this one-handed arrangement. Where are we here? Okay, so there we can see the piston, and let's try and hear the noise at the same time. And I'm just giving it an ever so slight movement. Right now the spark plug is in, so let's go. I'm up in compression right now. So if somebody can confirm with me, my suspicions are, even though the crank seals, yeah, we've got some residue down there. Again, spraying starter fluid down on these seals. I didn't notice anything drastic or any change in the engine RPM. Looks like we've got a number down here. Let's take note of. I'll have to clean that off and read it later. And then also, just on the underside, basically, you know, it wasn't bad considering we're 30-some years old, pushing 40 years old. Just those minor streaks, and they tended to line up with, looks like probably a seal out of the secondary drive. Looks like some oil there, but it could be originating from, you know, back down here on the crankcase seal on the clutch side. So I got a hunch that we're going to be probably based on this little noise here. That's inside the crankcase. Give me your thoughts on that, please, and you can advise me on how to proceed. Thanks.